Hello, everyone. I'm Jamie Karia, LCSW and doctoral candidate at the University of Kentucky. I designed the Wellness Lab mapping meaning and movement activity as a significant learning experience for the MSW classroom, implementable in person or online with a shared document in breakout rooms. The design is grounded in my constructivist epistemology and guided by a transformative holistic teaching philosophy, which I operationalize with universal design for learning, UDL. So every learner has equitable ways to engage, represent understanding, and express learning. Experiential learning theory shapes the arc. Experience, reflection, conceptualization, action. And the lab is anchored in culturally responsive, anti-racist practice in today's policy climate. Session length is 35 to 40 minutes total. Step 1 is 3 to 4 minutes. Step 2, 10 to 12 minutes. Step 3 is 5 to 6 minutes. Step 4 is 12 to 15 minutes. Here's the arc. We center attention, externalize thinking, surface patterns, and translate insights into action. Step 1, mindful beginning. A brief guided regulation. Mindful breathing or progressive muscle relaxation settles attention and builds psychological safety. Student-centered opens, boosts engagement from the first minute, as Fourth's 2016 highlights. Step 2, personal wellness map. With attention anchored, students sketch stressors, triggers, supports, and renewal strategies across micro, meso, and macro systems, making thinking visible and linking self-regulation to professional ethics and resilience in trauma-exposed field realities. Step 3, collective word snapshot. As maps take shape, the room shifts from me to we. Each student adds one word of their choosing, for example, fatigue or hope, to a shared document or wall. The visible pattern invites inquiry and dialogue, as Nilsson and Goodson 2018 note. Step 4, small group debrief. With shared themes in view, groups of 3 connect map insights to the week's readings and examine how identity, culture, and context shape strategy, practicing culturally humility and anti-racist decision-making. Why this makes me an effective educator. The Wellness Lab turns my constructivist stance and transformative holistic philosophy into a coherent learning arc. A mindful opening establishes presence for honest reflection. Mapping then externalizes thinking and ties self-care to professional ethics. The snapshot widens perspective from self to community, and the debrief converts those insights into culturally responsive choices for practice. UDL threads the sequence, multiple ways to engage, represent, and express so every student has an equitable on-ramp. The result is authentic participation, synthesis across readings, and actionable next steps. Active learning, EPAS, and assessment. Active learning is continuous, embodies regulation, step 1, reflective mapping, step 2, collaborative inquiry, steps 3 to 4, and application to field scenarios. The lab enacts CSWE EPAS 2022 by strengthening ethical and professional behavior, competency 1, advancing diversity and difference, competency 2, integrating evidence for practice-informed research and research-informed practice, competency 4, and practicing collaborative engagement and evaluation, competency 6 and 9. The policy reflection and map to action arc also engage justice, policy, assessment, and intervention, competencies 3, 5, 7, and 8. Assessment is 10 participation points within 20% participation category. Wellness map is 3 points. Explicit reading tie-in during debrief is 4 points. One word snapshot is 1 point, and a brief exit note naming one concrete renewal action is 2 points. The Wellness Lab is my way of making learning both sanctuary and laboratory, rigorous, inclusive, and practice-ready. Students leave with a renewal strategy, a shared language, and a plan to carry these practices into professional life. Thank you so much and have a great day.